Hello everyone.
Have you noticed how fast paced and stressful life has become? That's why yoga is so important. It helps us find balance, stay healthy, and calm our minds. Yoga is more than just physical exercise, it's a holistic practice that transforms both the body and mind. As a yoga teacher, you have the power to share these incredible benefits with others. Through yoga teacher training, you'll not only deepen your own practice but also learn how to guide others toward healthier and happier lives. It's a journey that transforms not just you but everyone you teach.
Hello, I'm Rohit. I'm excited to share my story.
Fitness has always been my passion, and yoga became my chosen path to achieve it. I started practicing yoga over a decade ago. Initially, it was just a way to stay fit and healthy, but as my passion grew, it evolved into a way of life. This inspired me to take the leap to become a certified yoga teacher. I began with a 200-hour yoga teacher training, followed by advanced yoga teacher training accredited by Yoga Alliance International. To further expand my knowledge, I completed a postgraduate diploma in yoga and earned certification as a yoga wellness instructor and yoga teacher and evaluator from the Ministry of Ayush. Today, I am proud to call myself not just a yoga teacher but also an author and nutrition coach. I have trained more than 1,000 individuals through online and offline sessions and have guided many aspiring teachers through comprehensive yoga teacher training programs. Let me tell you about the yoga teacher training I offer. This program is accredited by globally recognized organizations like Yoga Alliance International and the World Yoga Federation. In addition, you will receive thorough preparation to appear for the Yoga Certification Board evaluation under the Ministry of Ayush. Upon successful completion, you will be certified as a yoga wellness instructor, qualifying you to teach yoga in schools, studios, workplaces, wellness centers, and primary healthcare facilities. This course offers a well-rounded education in yoga, covering everything you need to know to become a confident teacher. You will explore the streams of yoga like Jnana yoga, Bhakti yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Karma yoga, and Hatha yoga. Ancient texts including the Bhagavad Gita, Hatha yoga Pradipika, Gheranda Samhita, and the Patanjali yoga Sutras. Essential practices such as Shatkriyas, Asana, Pranayama, Mudras, and meditation, which are vital for disease prevention and overall wellness. Ayurvedic principles like Tridosha, Sapta, Dhatu, Dinacharya, and Ritucharya to deepen your understanding of holistic health. Anatomy and physiology to understand the human body, its system, and how yoga impacts them, ensuring safe and effective teaching practices. Our program also includes lessons on teaching yoga to manage common health issues such as back pain, respiratory problems, stress, digestive issues like constipation, and lifestyle conditions like diabetes. Additionally, we offer sessions on nutrition, giving you a comprehensive approach to health and wellness.
This course will help you guide others towards health and balance while deepening your own yoga practice.
Whether you prefer online or offline sessions, we have got you covered. My yoga studio is based in Bangalore, but our flexible online options ensure you can learn from anywhere. For more details or to register, visit my website or call me directly at 9731 968095. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Let's start this incredible journey together.
If you are ready to take the next step, I invite you to join my program.